TikTok now has the option for users to add their pronouns to their pages. And in this video, I'll show you how to add your pronouns to your TikTok profile. Now let's get started. To add your pronouns to your TikTok profile, go to your profile page on the TikTok app. Then tap Edit Profile. Now select Add Pronouns. You can add up to 4 pronouns you'd prefer to go by. Begin typing in one of your preferred pronouns, then select it from the list of options that appears below. When you're done, tap Save. Your pronouns will appear on your profile near the top underneath your display name. That's all it takes to add your pronouns to your TikTok page.